There are many beautiful places in the world. Faroe Islands is one of these places. This secluded island in the middle of the ocean is a wonder of the world. In today's episode, we will see a detailed description of the Faroe Islands and the secret of the natural beauty of this island. The Faroe Islands are an archipelago located in the North Atlantic Ocean. It is situated about halfway between Norway and Iceland. It is an autonomous territory within the Kingdom of Denmark. Located 320 kilometers north-northwest of the United Kingdom, the islands have a total area of about 1,400 square kilometers, with a population of 54,676 as of August 2023. The terrain is rugged, and the subpolar oceanic climate is windy, wet, cloudy, and cool. Despite the northerly climate, the temperatures are moderated by the Gulf Stream and average above freezing throughout the year, hovering around 12 degrees Celsius in summer and 5 degrees Celsius in winter. The Faroe Islands consist of 18 major islands, and they are characterized by rugged landscapes, cliffs, and deep fjords. The islands are known for their dramatic scenery, with picturesque villages nestled in the valleys. The Faroe Islands are made up of an approximately 6 kilometers thick succession of mostly basaltic lava that was part of the Great North Atlantic Igneous Province during the Paleogene period. The lavas erupted during the opening of the North Atlantic Ocean, which began about 60 million years ago, and what is today the Faroe Islands was then attached to Greenland. The lavas are underlain by circa 30 kilometers of unidentified ancient continental crust. The capital of this island and largest city is Tórshavn, located on the island of Streymoy. The official language is Faroese, which is a North Germanic language. Danish is also widely spoken, and English is commonly understood. Fishing has historically been a significant part of the Faroese economy, and the islands are known for their sustainable and responsible management of fisheries. In recent years, there have been efforts to diversify the economy, including tourism and renewable energy projects. The Faroes belong to the Faroe Islands boreal grasslands ecoregion. The natural vegetation of the Faroe Islands is dominated by Arctic alpine plants, wildflowers, grasses, moss, and lichen. Most of the lowland area is grassland and some are heath, dominated by shrubby heathers, mainly Calluna vulgaris. Although there are no trees native to the Faroe Islands, a limited number of species have been successfully introduced to the region, in particular trees from the Magellanic subpolar forests region of Chile. The Faroes people have a rich cultural heritage, with a strong emphasis on traditional music, dance and storytelling. The Faroes' national holiday is Ólavsøka. It is celebrated in late July and includes various cultural events and festivities. The islands are known for their diverse bird life, including puffins, guillemots, and gannets. The rugged landscapes make the Faroe Islands a popular destination for hikers and nature enthusiasts. The islands are connected by a network of tunnels, bridges, and ferries. In recent years, the Faroe Islands have gained attention as a unique and off-the-beaten-path destination. The stunning landscapes, traditional culture, and outdoor activities attract visitors interested in exploring a less crowded and more remote destination. The islands are windy, cloudy, and cool throughout the year, with an average of 210 rainy or snowy days per year. The islands lie in the path of depressions moving northeast, making strong winds and heavy rain possible at all times of the year. Sunny days are rare and overcast days are common. Hurricane Faith struck the Faroe Islands on 5 September 1966, with sustained winds over 100 miles per hour, and only then did the storm cease to be a tropical system. This island is an exciting place on Earth. Today it is a travel destination for many. Hundreds of tourists visit this island every year.